So the everything box is installed and everything seems to be functioning how it's supposed to. I'll start by plugging the car into an EVSE, which will put it into charge mode. So you can see that the CAN charge has fired up. Obviously nothing's set up correctly because I don't have a battery to charge. But if you peek through here, you can't see any green LED showing up, which is good because I don't want the inverter to come on. So if I was to actually turn the car on while it's plugged in, by the way, once the vehicle's on, you get to see the coulomb counter. But if I turn the car on, end up with all the usual song and dance, but critically, still no LED in there at all. But if I unplug the car now, we should see that light come on. There we go. Now the other thing I can do is that while the vehicle is on, I can test the BMS. Now I don't have a BMS, but what this does is if a cell were to go low, which is what happens when you're driving and the battery runs low, then what that effectively does is creates a closed circuit between the yellow wire and the white wire. So if I was to do that, we should see that circuit drop out. Alright, you can't see the drive is on, but if that was to go away, it comes back on. And the same thing can be demonstrated with the high cell warning, which is what happens between the brown and the blue wire. But basically that would cause the enable feature on this charge controller to drop to 0, which means it stops charging. So, all in all, the everything box works.